This 2022 Winnebago Voyage 3538BR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, stovetop burner, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Voyage 3538BR is 9,278 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.